Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch from business account to personal account on TikTok or vice versa. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can switch from personal account to business account. If we want to do that, we need to go to the TikTok setting and privacy. We can go to our profile page first, and then we can click on these three lines on the top right and go to the settings and privacy. Okay, and you're going to go to the account setting, and here you will be able to switch to business account or personal account. And I'm going to switch my account to business account first because now my account is in personal mode. I'm gonna click on this option. Okay, and then we can click on next, click on next, next again, and then you can choose a category for your business account. For instance, I'm going to choose personal blog, and we can click on next. Okay, and just hold on, and then you need to enter your email address, but you can skip this tab. Actually, I'm just going to skip it, and for my bio I'm just going to skip it as well. Okay, then you will be able to visit Business Suite after you switch from personal account to business account. You will get analytics, growth center, creative hub, message center, and all these features for your business account. And then I'm going to show you how we can switch from business account to personal account. Basically, you just need to do the same. You can go to the setting and privacy gain, and then you're going to go to the account, and you can choose switch to personal account. Okay, and then we can click on switch anyway. Okay, and now I get back my personal account. Okay, that's so easy, right? We just need to go to the account, and we'll be able to change our account mode there. Okay guys, and that's all the way to switch from business to personal account or vice versa on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!